You gotta throw up your...
Get it from this side. Is anyone on?
Yeah. A lot of people are saying hi. You have 97 viewers.
97.
Do you have any words to say?
No.
What kind of cut are you doing? Some people asked.
I'm doing like a lean round graduation.
Lean ground. Wait.
Round.
It's a lean round graduation. Someone said, "Where is Razzo?"
Comes in at 2.
He comes in at 2, guys. Someone said to come to Maui.
Down.
He's down. Do you have any hair cutting tips for a Cosmos student because they're struggling?
Tips would probably, I don't know, I mean, practice a lot on mannequin heads. I mean, the only way you're gonna get better is by doing it.
There you go. You heard it here, folks. How long does it take to finish a cut for you?
Usually like right around 45 minutes probably.
45 minutes. Someone likes your nails.
Yeah. I need to get them redone. The beat.
What shears do you use?
Hanzo's.
He uses Hanzo's.
Best shears in the game. Legit?
Yep.
What's a good toner for like platinum?
For what?
Like a good tone for platinum. Just so I lightened up the level thing.
UTP.
Yeah, my favorite is UTP, yeah. I mean, it sucks though doing it, like it burns, dude. But I like the result it gets.
What kind of developer? Like a 10 or 20?
Probably like 10.
Are you going diagonal back or
Yeah.
from where it lives?
Diagonal back.
Diagonal back.
Just because I want the weight to kind of push this way. I want the weight to be pushed backward. I feel like the back wasn't as long as the sides, dude.
For real?
Yeah, 'cause I'm like barely taking anything back off in the back. It was mostly just like right here. Just fixing Freddy's haircuts.
Oh.
Huh?
Yeah, there's nothing else to cut.
Yeah.
Someone said you're their inspiration and thanks for the answer.
Thanks, appreciate it. You're welcome.
What did you prep the hair with? Someone asked.
Is there anything in your hair right now?
No.
No. There's nothing in it. You just washed it. Is there anything in your water bottle?
Yeah, moisture mist.
Huh?
Moisture mist.
There's moisture mist in the water.
What technique are you doing? Someone asked.
The technique is a smooth cut.
Diagonal back.
Yeah. But what's the technique? Would it be layers, graduation?
This is a graduation.
Would it be a square graduation, a round graduation?
This is a round graduation.
There you go.
How can I come to you and learn a few things? Hands-on is better. Is there any way they could do this, Fern?
Right now, I mean, if they live close. I
If
mean,
you
I do
live
classes all the
close-
time. But yeah, right now I don't have anything.
Just check out the classes he's doing.
I usually post them.
Someone says they admire your work so much. They go to the temple in Frederick and watching your videos helps them so much.
I love the temple.
That's the partner school, right?
Yeah. I was at that school not too long ago, but everyone there is pretty dope. They have a barber program over there.
How many years have you been in the hair industry?
15?
15. Where are you located?
Costa Mesa, California.
Costa Mesa. And then someone told me to tell you to get you back to faint blends.
Rodrigo.
Yep. Oh, it's Rodrigo. You have people from Brazil and Indonesia saying hi.
What up? I don't even know where Indonesia is at.
Bi-coastal. No,
Where's Indonesia at?
I have no idea. And Malaysia too.
Dang, people are watching from Malaysia?
Yep. Yeah. Malaysia, Indonesia,
68. Wow.
Paraguay. Everywhere. Okay, question of the day. Does Fern still have his Gucci toe ring?
Who's that, Zach?
This is Slice of Dad.
I'm wearing my toe ring today, fam.
He's not wearing his toe ring. Oh, we have Germany, South Korea.
Damn.
For the barber going worldwide. That's what they say.
What did they say?
Someone said, Fern the barber going worldwide.
I'm trying.
India. This is very cool, guys. Albania. Whoa.
Dang.
Everyone's saying where they're from now.
Is someone from here?
Romania, Montenegro, Argentina, Armenia, India, Iran,
Dang, that's crazy.
Mexico. Someone's here she's a Paul Mitchell alumni from Fresno, Cali. What are your favorite clippers?
The Kimais?
Those ones?
Trying to get sponsored by a clipper company.
Someone sponsor Fern.
No, I got it.
He's using Hanzo scissors.
The Paimeis.
The Paime?
Yeah. My favorite shear. If you need scissors, I got the plug.
If you need scissors, Fern is your plug.
Yeah, the back wasn't as long as the sides, dude.
I couldn't see the back, obviously, but I felt like it was.
Yeah, it's gonna have a nice shape to it after this. How much do you want to take off the top? Or do you want to take anything off the top, or?
If it blends in, then maybe just like extra
Someone said you are very talented and many companies would want to sponsor you. Another one said, people don't realize you're the greatest cutter. Most barbers can't cut and fade. You are a real artist.
Appreciate it.
Follow Fern the barber.
I'm gonna blow dry.
What are these, like, the main use for these ones, the panes?
So those ones are like good for like precision cutting because It like locks onto the hair and it doesn't let it move. So you get like blunt lines from the pivot screw all the way to the top. So like if I were to take a piece of hair, there's like it won't push.
They'll just chop it.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I'll just go straight.
So where could someone buy these?
Huh?
Where can they buy these scissors?
From me?
You can buy them from. Shoot them a DM. These are the clippers he uses. And his scissors, his combs. I have no idea.
Yeah. You don't remember?
These are his guards he uses. Okay.